Okay, we're looking at a system of inequalities. The top one says y is greater than negative x plus 2. The bottom one says y is less than or equal to 2 over 3x plus 5. We should already know how to graph equations, and so I'm just going to remind you of the details that make these different. First of all, remember that when you have a greater than or you have a less than, that means that you have to make a dashed line. And whenever you have a greater than or equal to, or a less than or equal to, that's when you have to make a solid line. Okay, let's go ahead and do that here now very quickly. So we have y is greater than negative x plus 2. So on my y-axis, I'm going to go up to the point 2, and the slope is negative 1. That means I'm going to go down 1 and over 1. Down 1 and over 1, down 1 and over 1, just like this. In the other direction, up 1 and to the left 1, up 1 and to the left 1. That takes care of points. Now let's draw the appropriate line. Remember, this one is greater than. It's not greater than or equal to, so this is just going to be a dashed line. So I'm going to put in a dashed line here for that one. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. This is y is less than or equal to. The y-intercept is 5, so I'm going to go up to 5. On the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and plot that point. The slope says 2 over 3, so I'm going to go up 2 and over 1, 2, 3, up 2 and over 1, 2, 3. In the other direction, down 2 and to the left, 1, 2, 3, down 2 and to the left, 1, 2, 3. This says y is less than or equal to, which means that this line is going to be a solid line. So I'm going to draw in a solid line just like that. Alright, now let's decide how we're going to shade. Well, for the dashed line, that says it's greater than, so going up is greater than, so above the dashed line, we're going to shade it. I'm shading above the dashed line here. Shading above the dashed line. And now I'm going to look at the next one that says less than or equal to, so the solid line is going to be shaded below the solid line. So here I am shading below the solid line. What you should notice here is that this region has been shaded once, this region has been shaded once, this region has been shaded 0 times, but this region was shaded twice. This is the double shaded region, and so this is the solution set. Remember that on solid lines, if the point is on the solid line, it is in the solution set. If a point is on the dashed line, it is not in the solution set.